Hey everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a little over a week and my surgery's gone well. I am healing. I'm still having some trouble walking around up and down stairs. I still can't drive my car, even though the clutch on it is actually pretty easy to push in. That's more work than I can kind of muster up at this point. But yeah, for the most part, everything is getting much better. Still healing. So far, nothing wrong. Surgeon said that after the end of this week and maybe beginning of next week, I'll start bruising up some more. It may become more difficult for a little bit, but the mesh inside will start breaking down and become more flexible. And roughly 3 to 4 months in, I should be back to completely normal. So that's always good. But it's a road to recovery. Things are going fairly well otherwise. I've been out of work for only 1 week so far. I'm going back in tomorrow and Monday. And unfortunately my duties will just kind of be confined. You'll be stuck to what I can do in the office. And that's about it. So no lifting PCs or hauling around lots of laptops, lifting stuff off the top shelves. I won't be doing that for a while. Also, in this video, I did want to point out that I have started a Patreon page, and I also started another channel, starting from scratch. Obviously, 0 subscribers. I've been going up to 2 or 3. I know, right? 2 or 3 subscribers. It's not much, but you can't. I don't have an extension like YouTube.com/ in this case Midnight Ninja. I don't have enough. I'm not qualified to get that extra wording on the end, so I'll put a link in the description below to the new channel. It's called LegoRoboGo, and my Patreon page, which is just simply under my name, Midnight Ninja. So patreon.com/Midnight Ninja. Currently, the Patreon page is only for the Lego stuff. I have started a build a couple days ago after I got my new Mindstorms EV3 kit, or this guy right here, which I've been working on a little bit. And it is a remake of my old Battlestorm game that I had originally submitted to Lego as part of their contest to get it to become an actual product. And at the time, I did not meet the requirements. I was way short on, I think they called them votes, but I'm not necessarily trying to go back and submit it again right now, but I am working on the project personally. I am going to have the files available online and the final build instructions and everything to go with it. So the Patreon page is really a way for people to do monthly recurring subscriptions in varying amounts. I believe the amounts I have are $1, $5, $10, $20, $50, $100, and $200. I really don't expect anyone to hit the top 3, $50, $100, and $200, unless I have a whole bunch of patrons, kind of like subscribers for YouTube. Then I really don't see those happening unless someone, really likes the work I do or something. But as I stated with my GoFundMe page, that is on Patreon. I haven't decided exactly the amount that I want to donate, but I'm pretty much set on 50%. So of all the recurring revenue that I get each month when I get a payout, 50% of the income from all of my patrons, what they're called, will all be donated to a charity. That charity will probably change week to week. I don't just pick charities at random. I actually do a little bit of research into them, make sure they're reputable, find out what the money's been spent on before, how much was donated versus how much was spent, to see how much they're pocketing. There's a number of factors that go into it. I don't just pick things in a certain field because they claim they're in that field. That's not right. I want to make sure that it's a quality, reputable charity. So, and that still holds true for my GoFundMe page, which still as of now has $0, but if anyone donates to that, I think I will also do the exact same thing and put in 50% of all the money I receive will go to a charity. So it's not all about me. I'll tell you guys, I make about between 18.5 and 19.5 a year. It's not a whole lot, but I mean, I know it sounds like, wow, you're making almost 20 grand a year. Why are you asking for money? It's not as simple as I just want more money. Everybody wants more money. I get that. But to help out with covering the cost of various things, I eventually need to save back, and I know it sounds like it's far off, but want to save back for retirement in case bills come along. Something happens to my girlfriend and suddenly I'm on my own. I could make it on my own, but it would be very tight. I'd like, obviously, to have a little bit of wiggle room for money. I would like to be able to do more of the things that I enjoy, even if that's after work hours. So extra money kind of does help with that. But yeah, it's not just about me. I am donating to charities. I'm helping other people, animals, veterans, military, you name it. It's not all about me. So please don't think I'm selfish. I absolutely do not mean it like that. I'm totally sorry if it came across like that. But it is a way to help both me and some other people. So hope you support. Thanks for watching and subscribing. If we can hit 1,000 subscribers here on the YouTube channel, that would be a really big helpful start. And then of course, even if you're not interested in the content, at least watch 5 or 10 minutes of a video. You can start it, let it play in the background. It'll count toward my watch time, because I also have to be able to meet a number of hours watched requirement, not just 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. But next to that, the biggest thing you can do is leave me comments. Those help me pretty much understand where my channel sits, how things are going, if there's ways to improve. If you don't like the content, hit dislike. You're not going to hurt my feelings. Not everybody likes what I put up. Some people came here expecting drones and they see something for a computer and they're going, why? I didn't sign up for this. And then they unsubscribe. Or I didn't post a video more often than once a week. Maybe I skipped a week and they unsubscribe because they think I left, and whatever your reason is, it's fine. Constructive criticism, I'm perfectly okay with that. But if you're just going to come in and troll and be like, this guy's, you can't really say those words, then no, I'll probably delete your comment. But other than that, if you want to talk trash about the channel, that's fine, as long as it has merit. So negativity, that's welcome as well. It is what it is. It helps me develop. I'm not trying to squash anybody that doesn't deserve to be squashed, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the next room over and finish watching some Netflix and whatnot with my girlfriend, and that's all for tonight. I will link you to my new YouTube channel and my Patreon page in the link or in the description below. And yeah, once I get back on my feet a little bit more, I will start making some more videos. Weather clears up, I'll start doing some more drone flying videos, tutorials, various things. I'll have to figure out what more I can do. I think I covered a good portion of it already, but yeah, I'll get back into it here in another week, 2 weeks, maybe, something like that. This new camera that I bought, by the way, I will be taking with me down to Key West in the second week of March. We leave March 9th. And I'll be taking it down, and I'll sort of be doing a vlogging style. It's not the greatest camera quality, but there'll be some fun things to see down there. what I'm trying very hard not to do is I'm trying not to be like Logan Paul. And you know what? I really didn't want to call him out on this. I tried fairly hard in a couple videos now not to even bring it up or to mention it. I did a couple times, but it just kind of like skated by it. But I don't want to be like Logan Paul. And I know there was that mishap with PewDiePie, but that's a little bit different. I do want to start a vlogging style channel so I can cover more aspects here. Maybe gain some younger audience, maybe people that just kind of want to watch to see lifestyle, that kind of thing. But I'll still continue to do the tutorial videos, the drone videos, Windows 10 tweaking, stuff like that. But you will never, on this channel, you will never see me talk about anything dead, poking fun at races, nothing like that. I'm not even going to try and go over the list right now, but you get the idea. None of that's going to be happening here. I'm not that kind of person. I deeply care about everything and everybody. So don't expect that here, but I do want to start a vlogging style channel. It is helping me get more comfortable with being on camera. So yeah, she just she just called me from the other room. So yeah, that's my update, guys. I am doing better. I'll be back into this eventually. So stick around. Subscribe, even if you don't watch. It would help if you watch, but even if you don't watch enough of the videos, at least subscribe. That helps me out. As many of you that can, head on over to my LegoRoboGo channel. You can also find me under the same name, Midnight Ninja, on Eurobricks.com. I will be posting my updates and other stuff to Battlestorm, which is the this little piece that I've been working on here, which is like a 2-player Rock'em Sock'em robot game. I'll be posting updates there as well. I would like to finish getting my GBC. It's a Great Ball Contraption module finished, and see about entry into Brick World this year. I'm not sure which location I'll be able to make, or it's by invitation only, so we'll see. But yeah, that's all I got for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you later, guys. Have a good one.